Hello, guys. Today we will be going over 5 car inventions that are revolutionary. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and leave a comment below of what suggestions you found interesting. With number 1, we have inductive wireless charging roads. Currently, there is a company in Israel called Electrion that is testing roads that give power to cars driving on them. This can potentially eliminate the need of cars having to stop in and plug for electricity, like Teslas have to. There would be copper coils under the road, with electricity management boxes on the side, making sure these cars get power. And of course, the cars need to be suited specially in order to get the power. With that, we dive into the number 2 spot, car-to-car communication. A company in Australia called Kodha Wireless is currently working on this concept. This company also offers car-to-pedestrian communication, which can reduce the risks of collisions. As you can see here, there is a lead car with an actual person driving in it, and 2 autonomous cars following behind it. This can reduce the number of human collisions due to distracted driving and other circumstances. With the 3rd spot, there is a Netflix-style system for cars. Companies like Fare from the United States of America and Drover from the United Kingdom allow users to pay a monthly subscription and switch cars anytime. If you get too bored with a certain car and want to try something new, these companies allow you to do just that. With the number 4 spot comes in-car health monitoring from Guardian Optical Technologies. This company allows users to have the ultimate safety they desire. The system can recognize if people in the vehicle have not buckled their seatbelt or forgot something like a baby or driving with your smartphone. With number 5, there is automated reality directions that will appear on your windshield. Wayray in Switzerland is a company actively working on this concept. The system will be actively identifying the traffic around you in order to guide you to your desired destination. It can also reduce collisions as it can identify pedestrians walking around on the road. Drop a comment below on which invention you thought was the best, and if there are 500 likes, there will be a part 2.